In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new property in your system settings. To get started, open your system and go to the settings area. Once you're there, look for the properties section inside the control layout tab. This is the place where you manage custom fields and organize the information your system can store. If you're setting up new data fields for records, this is where that process begins. When you're inside the Properties section, move your attention to the right side of the screen and click the orange Create Property option. This opens the setup flow for building a new property from scratch. If you're customizing your workspace for better tracking, reporting, or organization, this is an important tool to know. Next, you'll need to select the database object level type from the first drop-down menu. This step determines where the property will live and what kind of records it applies to. In other words, you're telling the system which part of your database should use this new field. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct object level, because that will affect where the property appears later. After that, choose the field input format. This is where you decide how information will be entered into the property. Depending on your needs, you might choose something like a drop-down field, a text field, or a date picker. For example, a drop-down is useful when you want consistent answer choices. Text works well for open-ended information, and a date picker is ideal for anything tied to a specific date. Choosing the right format helps keep your data clean and easier to manage over time. Once the field type is selected, type in the name label for the property. Make sure the label is clear and easy to understand, since users will rely on that name when entering or reviewing information. If the property type includes selectable choices, go ahead and configure those options as needed. This is especially important for drop-down style fields where your predefined choices should be specific and useful. Finally, review the setup, then click Create at the bottom to save the new property. After that, your new field will be added to the selected object level and become available based on your system configuration. That's it. By following this process carefully, you can create properties that make your system more organized, consistent, and easier to use.